Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Changing the battery on your Surface 1901 is a task that requires precision and the right tools. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Torx T5 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a suction cup. Make sure you work in a clean, static-free environment to avoid damaging your device. First, power off your Surface 1901 completely. This step is crucial to prevent any electrical shorts during the process. Next, locate the screws securing the back cover. Using the Torx T5 screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. There are typically 6 screws that you need to take out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once all the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Take your time with this step, you don't want to damage the clips holding it in place. If you're having difficulty, try using the suction cup for better grip. As you lift the cover, be cautious of any cables that may still be connected. Now that the back cover is off, you will see the battery. Before proceeding, remember that if you're not comfortable performing this repair, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. If you don't have the tools or expertise, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service, which makes the process hassle-free. To remove the battery, gently disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. You may need to use the plastic spudger to carefully pry it off. Once disconnected, you can remove the battery itself. Be sure to dispose of the old battery properly according to local regulations. Now, take your new battery and place it in the same position as the old one. Connect the battery connector to the motherboard. Ensure that it is secure and properly seated. If you're unsure about the connection, double-check to avoid any issues later. After the new battery is in place, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Replace all the screws you removed earlier with the Torx T5 screwdriver, ensuring they are tight but not overly so. This can strip the screws. Finally, power on your Surface 1901. If the device doesn't turn on, double-check all connections to ensure that everything is seated properly. If you encounter any issues, remember you can always get a quote before repair with our services. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the battery on your Surface 1901. If at any point you feel overwhelmed, don't forget that we are here to help with no calls, no travel required. Simply reach out for assistance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.